We're at the Habitat for Humanity NetZero project in Riverdale area in Edmonton for the groundbreaking for the project.
Right now they have the first floor assembled, and I believe by the end of the day the goal is to get the second floor panels and roof panels on. What's so significant about this house is that it's really managed to combine environmental stewardship, economical stewardship, and also assisting to not build just a sustainable building, but also a sustainable community. It's really quite amazing to be able to see a house come out of the ground in the matter of 2 days.
It's been a great process for us being involved with this, specifically for Stantec and even individually for myself, learning so much about other groups and coming together as one team to come up with a great solution. Well, we're meeting here today, and it was a great turnout by the citizens at large, the City of Edmonton, and even the families that showed up. We haven't really met who the end users were, so seeing them today with the little girl playing in the foreground really brought to what this was all about and what it should be about. It's not about the building, as the mayor said, it's really about the end families that are going to take advantage of these.
We're feel so blessed and so thankful to every single person who's come together to make this happen. I can't wait to move in and want to learn more about all the technology that's going in.
The way that they're designed, they're not meant to consume energy. At the end of the year, they produce as much energy as they consume. They're highly efficient. I'm looking forward to learning about them and looking forward to building a future here.
It means peace of mind and belonging to something, you know, something good. I'm excited beyond words, really. It's a whole new chapter of my life.
It looks pretty cool. Nothing I've ever seen before. It'll be our first home we've owned. We're really excited about this whole project and wow at all the people that it took to put it all together. It's just amazing.
Thanks to all the sponsors, and I really do mean that. I thank you.
We've been in the community for the past 85 years, and it gives us a great deal of pride to be a leader in a project that gives back to the community in so many different ways. This is great for the community, great for all the suppliers that contributed to this project, and it's really good for sustainable construction because it goes to show when we all get together, we can do something really good for two great families.
It's a win-win for, I think, all parties, and when we saw the family here today, I think that just nails it why we're all doing this. Now that we've got something physical to look at and respond to and get it out into the media, I think it's going to bring a whole other vocabulary going forward about bringing on sustainable developments and low-cost housing for the City of Edmonton.
The research and development that's going to be acquired through this project is going to be second to none in this kind of facility, and kudos to the leaders that put this through.
This is a huge brain project, and so a lot's being put into it by everyone.
The team on this project is quite a unique one. I've yet to experience such a high degree of commitment to a single project. If you give a bunch of engineers a blank piece of paper, what will you end up with? Well, this is the result of those blank pieces of paper, and yes, we were all giddy in that room when that approach was taken.
In any good sustainable project, we have multiple disciplines, and we actually talk about an integrated design process. In terms of this particular project, we are very fortunate that we do have multiple disciplinary specialties at the table. The end result is that we have a building that is cost effective, hopefully net zero at the end of the day for the occupants of the home. Net zero is an important thing for the environment, and it's starting to get more and more recognition.
A net zero on-site energy building is a net zero that will produce and generate all its energy and electricity that it requires to run on a yearly basis. And so this house has a gas line, but it's not connected, a ground source heat pump system with a forced air electric furnace, and photovoltaic modules on the roof to generate all the electricity.
We've got MIT involved that's going to monitor the building going forward. It really does mean lower monthly costs and what the family are going to be paying for their utilities. And we can monitor that and test that going forward on future projects as well.
Everybody has a contributing factor to ensure that this is the best design home at the end of the day for the occupants.
When you have that type of a condition where people are comfortable, people can go in and be very, very, very good at interacting and very good at imagining new things. And it's the imagining new things that's awesome. So I come in and I imagine a yard around this house that other people are imagining. But I know these people are all excited about it, their hearts are in the right place, and so you come into that and you can imagine, and that feels good.
It's really, really part of a being a good corporate citizen. The sustainable construction is the future of the building industry, and we want to be a big part of it.